Hi, I am Rajit Kumar. I am from Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. I am skilled in quality assurance and quality control in welding inspection, which is essential for oil and gas industry. I am performing this video to get World Skill Council certificate. Now I am performing magnetic particle test, which is a part of non-destructive test. So before the test object should be cleaned. So now I am using solvent cleaning to test the object. Now I am applying contrast white for background contrast. So give some time for dry. And then we are using yoke method, which is produce a longitudinal field. So magnetic field and magnetic particle same time applied.